This is a Haas TL2 CNC Toolroom Lathe. It is equipped with a Haas CNC control with Coldfire processor, a programmable 4-station tool turret. It has a tailstock, and a rarity with these machines, a Jorgenson lift-up style chip conveyor. The machine's equipped with coolant pump and tank. It has a USB port, and the driver at the face is a Riten 43 FM mechanical face driver. The machine comes with its leveling pads and is for sale at www.machinesused.com. The maximum swing of the machine is 16 inches, and it has an 11.1-inch swing over the cross slide. Its turning length and distance between centers is 48-inch capacity. This machine has been upgraded to a 3,000 max RPM spindle speed, comes with a 12 horsepower motor, and the bar capacity or spindle bore is 3 inches.